pag-open.
It's a 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
This is, ano to, ito.
This is for Parkling South. This is a 3-bedroom model unit.
Alright.
Welcome to our 3-bedroom model unit.
Alam mo, layo compared sa BG
Yeah.
show. Hindi ko nakuha yung feeling
Yeah.
ng BG show.
Yeah. Before kasi, pag model units ng Ayala Land Premier, we wanna make sure it's as simple as the turnover condition of the unit. Yeah.
Si Mark kasi ano siya. Ito na sir yung size.
Yeah.
Ito yung flooring.
Yeah, this is the actual flooring of the unit upon turnover. This is the porcelain. Porcelain tile
Kasi
siya.
nakinig dun kayo.
Yeah.
Sorry na may porcelain.
Electric oven and conduction.
These are all included.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the first time. Oo, for the first time.
Kasama na oven.
Kasama
yung
yung
electric oven. Before kasi wala eh. Diba? Oo,
Yung
Rico.
cabinets, this is the aspect.
Yeah, Simatic na siya. That's about 1
Basic.
billion agad na eh. Yung Simatic
Mm.
cabinet.
Oo.
Dati
Yung mga bloom lang tayo dati.
Oo. Before ganun lang. So medyo as time goes on,
Standard unit inclusions.
medyo nagmamahal, nag-upgrade.
Like,
This is soft close na siya.
Oo.
Oo. Yeah.
Color.
Yeah, colored.
Kasama rin ito, ref.
No.
Kasama yung ref.
Meron lang provision.
Ito,
for
1M na to
that.
kaagad yung ref to eh.
Oo.
Sub-zero.
Galing sa mga bata.
So this is the actual ceiling height. This is 2.4 for the kitchen area.
2.4
and then
ceiling height.
2.7 for the living and dining and bedroom.
2.8 ceiling.
Eto, yung black splash, hindi. Ano lang siya, plain white, ano lang siya.
Hmm.
Systematic na yung cabinet.
Oo.
Eh, yung brand nung ano siya.
Tapos,
Yung cooktop and electric oven.
yung
I think
AC or
Smeg.
carrier na.
Smeg.
AC or carrier na.
Yeah, it's either Carrier or Toshiba, depending on the supplier. Minsan Carrier, minsan Toshiba. Yeah. So, actually,
Helper
the
area.
designer of the Experience Center is also the interior designer for this. Yeah. And
Utility room.
also the supplier ng mga furnitures. So, eto, furniture niya rin. So, kuming like eto, 900,000 na agad yung couch na to. I think separate pa to. I think they spent
Hey guys.
15 million for the interior design lang. 15 million na to. So, just in case yung mga clients natin, they want something similar. Yun yung charge niya. Parang,
15 million to look like this? Okay.
Without the furniture yet.
Nagpapamahal pa ako is the ano.
Diba?
Pictures.
or baka included na siguro yung
Yung mga
furniture.
ibang
Kasi parang
Ano, makakaano.
yeah.
2 aircons.
I think kasama na ata dito yung kasama
Sprinkler, aircon, kasama dalawa yan. Diyan na yun talaga.
Upon turnover, this part here is not included pa. So,
What?
wala to.
What is this part? Ano lang siya, diretso lang.
Yeah, this is just,
Dahil sa structure.
yeah. So parang,
Okay. Standard inclusion.
2.7.
yeah. But I think for the sky floors, mas higher siya, around 3 meters.
Jan, how much is this again? This 3 unit? Sorry.
This 3-bedroom is around,
Around.
right now around 80 million?
80 million.
80 million, yeah.
Okay.
80 million.
Ito yung master.
Yeah. This is the master bedroom. The junior master. This is the 3rd bedroom. This is the junior master. So this is the powder room.
Wow!
Hey!
Look, look.
Why? Ah, ba?
Oh my
Bale.
God, for your daughter.
Ang ganda ng ano niya, no?
Sarili pa ibenta yung park links to.
Yan na.
Ang ganda ng ano niya, para siyang rustic na nature ang ano design ng ano. Talagang mga wood lahat yun.
What do you call this type of design?
Yeah. Anong tawag? Maraming wood eh. Ganun talaga, maraming wood. What is the theme ba ng ano ng Park Lakes?
I think the theme that they're after is parang Philippine Philippine inspired.
Galing, parang mga... Tama mo, oh. Puro mga Ito, ganito talaga yung, pati yung ano na to, kasama.
No, no.
Para yung design yung wood.
Yeah.
Yung light ito.
Oh.
Work naman. Isa na bulan ako, pero ito yung work naman.
Yung dati.
Ito may, very nice, very nice.
Sabi ko kahit kasi daughter niya sa Bali.
Oh, wow.
Meron siyang
He's well known sa Hong
Look at
Kong.
this.
JJ Apollinaire.
Ganda na yung bespoke.
Oo, bespoke. Oo, sa kanya bespoke. Habang nakinita dito ni JJ. Oo nga. Pero baka may most likely, ano na siya. Oo nga.
Nice.
Sana magkaroon na ako ng 3-bedroom
Kaya nga.
here sa Parklinks. No? Yeah. So this is the second bedroom. They turn it into a music room, gym, small gym, painting room.
Oh my God.
So, pwede rin siyang mini office. Ayan.
Oh, sino kaya na gano'n?
Ayan. And music room, pwede siya mag-paint.
Ayan.
His and hers.
So this is the master bedroom.
Engineer. Ano nakalagay?
All right. Time to relax.
Ba't yung ganito like this? Yung buwan mo, when you start. I'm not sure paano nila sinasabi.
You know what to do. Check the description for my contact.
Sell over the phone.
So I can show you this
So your
place.
objective is to kasi the moment you bring them here,